Hello to everyone. Join with me to study this topic in algebra, which is linear equations with three unknowns. So meaning x, y, and z. Okay? So first equation is 6x minus y plus 3z equals negative 9. So this is now my equation 1. Then the second equation is 5x plus 5y minus 5z is equals to 20. This is my second equation. And then the last or the third equation is 3x minus y plus 4z equals negative 5. So this is the third equation. So as you notice in the second equation, we can simplify this one by dividing 5. Both left side and right side. Okay? So I will simplify that one. 5x plus 5y minus 5z is equals to 20. So 5 will be common factor for x, y, and z. So this will be x. Then this will be y. Then this will be minus z is equals to 20. Then divide 5 both sides. So 5 will be crossed out. So I have now x plus y minus z is equals to 4. So this is now my second equation. This is now my new second equation. So equate equation 1 and 2. So I will use this new. This is new equation. So first equation will be 6x minus y then plus 3z is equal to negative 9. Then my new second equation is x plus y then minus z is equal to 4. Okay, eliminate. Easy. So negative and positive y. So eliminate y. So this one will be eliminated. Y will be eliminated. So I have now 6x plus x, that will be 7x. So this will be 7x. Then 3z minus z, that will be plus 2z is equal to negative 9 plus 4, that will be negative 5. So this is now my equation 4. Okay? Then equate equation 2 and 3. So the new, we will use the new. So x plus y then minus z is equal to 4. Then third equation will be 3x minus y plus 4z is equal to negative 5. Okay? So y is ready for elimination. So eliminate. Whatever we eliminate, equation 1 and 2, same with equation 2 and 3. So the same elimination. Eliminate y also. So negative y plus y, that will be 0. So x plus 3x, that will be 4x. Then negative z plus 4z, that will be 3z. Positive 3z is equal to 1 minus 5, that will be minus 1. So this is now my equation 5. So equate equation 4 and 5. So equation 4 is 7x plus 2z is equal to negative 5. Then my fifth equation is 4x plus 3z is equal to negative 1. So we are free to choose either x or z. Okay, eliminate. Let's say eliminate z. Allow me to erase this one. So to eliminate z, I will multiply this one by negative 2. Both sides. Then the fourth equation will be multiplied by 3. Both sides. Okay? So 3 times 7x, that will be 21x. Plus 3 times 2z, that will be 6z. Then negative 5 times 3, that will be negative 15. Then this one, equation 5 will be multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2 times 4x, that will be negative 8x. Negative 2 times positive 3z, that will be negative 6z. Then negative 1 times negative 2, that will be positive 2. Okay, z will be eliminated because 6z minus 6z, positive and negative, that will be 0, or z will be eliminated. And then this one, 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8. So, borrow in here. So, this will be 11. 11 minus 8, that will be 3. Then bring down 1. So, I have now positive 13. So, this will be 13x because the 21 is greater than 8 and then 21 is having positive. So, 13 will be positive 13x. Then this will be equal to 15. Negative 15 minus 2, that will be minus 13. Then divide by 13 both sides. 13 will be crossed out, so x will be equal to negative 1. Okay? So I have now, I'll just write in here, x will be negative 1. Okay, I will erase this one. Allow me to erase in here. Then plug in. Plug in x equals negative 1 to equation 4 or equation 5. Okay? Let's say equation 4. Equation 4 is 7x plus 2z is equal to negative 5. So, x will be plugged in here. So, this will be negative 1. Then plus 2z is equals to negative 5. Negative 7 plus 2z equals negative 5. 2z is equals to negative 5. Transpose negative 7 to the right. That will be positive 7. 2z is equals to negative 5 plus 7. That will be positive 2. Then divide by 2 both sides. Z will be equal to positive 1. So I have now Z is equals to positive 1. Okay? So I will plug in. X is negative 1, then Z equals positive 1 to either 3 equations. I will use equation 3. So plug in. X equals negative 1 and Z is equals to positive 1 to equation, let's say 3. So equation 3 is 3x minus y plus 4z is equal to negative 5. So 3 times negative 1, then minus y plus 4 times z is 1 is equals to negative 5. 3 times negative 1, that will be negative 3 minus y. Then plus 4 times 1 is 4 is equals to negative 5. So combine negative 3 then positive 4, that will be positive 1 minus y is equals to negative 5. Okay? So negative y, 1 will be transposed to the right, that will be negative 1. So y, negative y is equals to negative 5, negative 1, that will be negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 1. Negative will be crossed out. Then you have y, negative 6 divided by negative 1, that is positive 6. So this y will be positive 6. Okay, so allow me to erase in here. Then we will check. So we have now x is equal to negative 1. Say y is equal to 6. Then z is equal to 1. Let us check this one if these are correct. So we will use use equation, let's say equation 1 for checking. Okay, equation 1 is 6x minus y plus 3z is equals to negative 9. Okay, plug in. X equals negative 1, y equals 6, and z equals positive 1. Okay, so 6 times 1 minus 6 plus 3z is 1 is equals to negative 9. 6 times 1 is 6 minus 6. 6 plus 3, wait. X is negative 1. Sorry, this is negative 1. I was surprised. Note, this is negative 1. Okay, 6 times negative 1, that will be negative 6. Then this will be negative 6. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Is equals to negative 9. Negative 6, that will be negative 12. Plus 3 is equals to negative 9. Negative 3, so 12 minus 3, that is 9. So the sign must be negative because 12 is greater than 3. So that is negative 9. So negative 12 plus 3 is negative 9 is equals to negative 9. So they are equal. Negative 9 is equals to negative 9. So meaning my x value is correct, my y value is correct, and then my z value is correct. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.